Good day to you, traders. It is Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. Your cherry bomb trade is in for today. It's going to be a short one today because I'm running a little behind, so got to get a move on. We're going to be looking at Facebook, a long call vertical, a debit spread again. Facebook has a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4 and an IV rank of 27 right now. So if that sounds like a trade that you're interested in, stay tuned because we're going to hop on into ThinkOrSwim, our simulated trading platform of choice, and get building on this trade. But allow me to introduce myself. My name is Neil, and this is Option Theory, and I want to thank you so much for joining us. I do appreciate each and every one of your views, and if you're interested, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell if you haven't already so you can get these trades on in your portfolio when we get them on. So if you're new, head on down to the description below. You'll find a link and you'll see that'll take you over to Tasty Trades email sign up page. It's a bit.ly link. I don't get anything for it, but I just want to know if it gets clicked, right? So yeah, head on over there, sign up for their email blast. We put on cherry bomb trades 4 days a week. Today's cherry bomb trade, of course, is the one we're looking at right now. On screen, you see the risk profile. So I'm getting way ahead of myself here so I can save some time. We're looking at the weeklies, the January 29th weeklies, and you're going to be long the 272.50 call and short the 277.50. It's a $5 wide, right? Now, if you ask me, I'm not in love with the risk to reward ratio and the probabilities. If I'm taking a near 50-50, if I'm less than 50-50, the probabilities of me profiting are less. I want to be able to at least make slightly more than half of the width of this. In this case, our max profit is not that, right? We are quite a bit on the skewed the other side. So not really sure why that is. However, we do have our P50 near 66-67% for this trade. So if you like these if you're okay with these probabilities, if you're okay with putting $318 of risk, I'll tell you, if you look at our portfolio right now, many of these debit spreads, it seems like, you can flip a coin and you're supposed to get 10 times, you're supposed to get 5 heads and 5 tails. It feels like with these debit spreads that more of them are on the losing side or the tails side. So, dang it. But at least there's one here that we can close, right? So we'll go ahead, and because this is simulated trading, and each opportunity to do something like this is an opportunity to try, hey, could I manage this? I tend to not manage my debit spreads like this. So maybe I'll try that, we'll see what happens. I'm going to right click this trade, go to the confirm and send phase, see that we can make a maximum of $182. We would look to manage that, of course, if we got to about $90 of profit. There's a 67%, 66% probability of that happening. So that's pretty good. It's not, high probability trade. That's not what this is. We could we could also walk away from this with total loss, like many of our long debit spreads have become recently. But at the same time, they're defined risk. And so you can sleep at night. And hopefully this position size is not too big. If it is, then this isn't a trade for you, right? Okay. I'm going to go ahead and remind you that, by the way, we're doing this in simulated trading. And I have a little disclaimer at the end, right? I'm not a professional. I'm not your financial advisor. Just want to remember we're doing this here in simulated trading to get all the learning without all the risk. All right, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and hit send. That's going to put it into my working orders. And I want to go ahead and manage McDonald's too. I'm going to right click this trade, choose create closing order, and I'm going to choose to sell that at $1.65. Hit confirm and send. And once again, whenever I'm closing a trade, I don't get this. I'm just going to hit send. Yeah, thanks. All right, there's our 2 orders for the day. If you've made it this far into the video, I want to give you your thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and maybe even subscribing. All right, until I see you in tomorrow's cherry bomb. It's Wednesday, right? Tomorrow's cherry bomb trade. Happy trading, everyone.